CDL combination vehicles. Coupling, uncoupling and double trailers, done right. Coupling a tractor to a trailer. Inspect fifth wheel, check for damage, ensure it's tilted down and open. Position tractor directly in front of trailer, never at an angle. Back slowly under trailer until fifth wheel contacts the trailer apron. Tug test, pull gently forward in low gear to confirm kingpin is locked. Uncoupling, the safe order. Position on level surface, apply trailer brakes. Lower landing gear until it makes firm contact with the ground. Disconnect electrical cord, then air lines, glad hands. Unlock fifth wheel, pull tractor forward slowly away from trailer airline connections. Glad hands are the coupler devices that connect air lines between tractor and trailer. Service line, blue, equals service brakes. Emergency line, red, equals emergency/parking brakes. Connect emergency first, disconnect last. If glad hands are crossed, service to emergency, the emergency brakes won't release. Always check glad hands are properly connected before moving. Question 1 of 3. What is the name of the coupling device on the tractor that connects to the trailer? Option A, kingpin. Option B, fifth wheel. Option C, landing gear. Option D, apron. Take a moment. The correct answer is B, fifth wheel. The fifth wheel is the large horseshoe-shaped coupling plate on the tractor. The trailer's kingpin locks into the fifth wheel. Together they form the connection between tractor and trailer. Question 2 of 3. When uncoupling a tractor from a trailer, which step must you complete before unlocking the fifth wheel? Option A, lock the tractor brakes before disconnecting glad hands. Option B, lower the landing gear before disconnecting the fifth wheel. Option C, disconnect the electrical cord before air lines. Option D, chock wheels after uncoupling on level ground only. Take a moment. The correct answer is B, lower the landing gear before disconnecting the fifth wheel. Landing gear must support the trailer before you release the kingpin. If you unlock the fifth wheel first, the trailer front can drop, a dangerous and potentially fatal mistake. Question 3 of 3. When driving a double trailer, what do the trailer brake hand valve, trolley valve, control? Option A, trailer brakes only. Option B, tractor brakes only. Option C, tractor and front trailer brakes. Option D, rear axle brakes only. Take a moment. The correct answer is A, trailer brakes only. The hand valve, trolley valve, applies only trailer brakes. It is used to check trailer brakes and for emergencies. Do not use it for normal stops, use the foot pedal which applies all brakes. You scored 3 out of 3. Combination vehicles is one of the most tested CDL topics. Know the coupling sequence and safety rules cold.